Sa tanang halang, girl.
Sa ilong?
Murag halang sa tanang halang. Sa gilakaw, bilisi. Abay na, Kar. Sa tubangan. 300 kapit.
340.
Oh,
Ang rides.
Oh,
Kung ordinary lang,
599.
600.
Oh,
Isa ano ang price yun?
cute yan.
Dahil 99?
Pagkunta mo, kabidyan ta mo. Entrance daw sila. Ala, nangisis siya, girl. Yay! Sana cheese! Sana cheese! Ito yung 70s. Ito yung mga amenities. Yan, dami. Attractions. And water park resort. Ito, kilala ko to. Ito ata si Bernard. Kisley, andito yung papa mo. Kisley! Kisley, papa mo. Papa mo, Kisley. Ay. Ayaw mo, papa mo yung Kisley. Tara, let's go, let's go. Resort rules, everyone. Dress code. Yes. Uy, forfeit pa ko. Free pa ko. Forfeit pa ko. Free ko. Kung sa itimbang ah. Kari dyan ah. Kari.
Entrance and swim. Avail na po sa kiddie pool, wave pool, and lazy river. If ever mag-slide, adult tag 349, total of 948. Sa slides, you have 2 towers inside. Si Jolly mag-operate siya tantuan na ay 3 slides. Then si Pirate Lookout mag-operate 1 until 5 na ay 5 ka slides. Ang water park mag-close 9 p.m. Amenities mag-close 8 p.m. Cottage natin 900, 700, and 600. Pero if ever dili mag-avail na tayo free picnic table inside, first come, first serve po. Then sa mag-slide, make sure lang po wala tayong mga medical concern, back and neck trouble, pregnant women, surgery, high blood, and heart problem. 40 to 90 kilogram and 12 years old to 59 years old. Proper dress code, silk or dry fit lang po. Avoid sa cotton and denims, remove lang po lahat ng accessories and jewelries. Sa food, nabay dala?
Wala.
Wala. Smoking, harmful weapon, gambling games, pets also are not allowed. You also have rentable locker for your personal belongings, 50 rent, 50 deposit. Then lastly po, our tickets are non-refundable po. Nay birthday celebrant month of July, Nay ID month. Then, mag-slide mo tayo natin.
Bayad sa mo. Hindi yan ang pang-bitbit ng gamit. Kaya sa pagkadagana. Pato mo
Ito yung nasa kiddie pool, wave pool.
Tara, Kat.
Alas sa red wine.
Coffee. Kaya guys, wala ko kailanin nila. I don't know them. Sino ba to? Ang ganda dito. Wow. 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 Karen, nagbayad og how much? How much?
Never mind.
Pero ayaw. That's it, guys. Hi, let's eat. Kapit na kami mga kapit ka na, di ba? Oh, pwede na. Kapit na kami mga
Mates and discover the attractions of Seven Seas. So, mates, are you ready to be a swashbuckler? Batten down the hatches and get ready to set sail for the Seven Seas. Ho-ho!
Hands on deck, it's a pirate's chest. Come look and see, it's the seven seas. Sail at Oliver says.
Sail ho!
Dive into wonders, what's inside. Take a look and see. Full of surprises and tides of happiness. Explore the seven seas. As oasis of peace.
Seven seas, seven seas, seven seas. All hands on deck, it's a pirate's chest.
Come look and see, it's the seven seas. Sail the blue waters and catch the waves. Fun is what matters, comes Oliver says.
Welcome to Seven Seas.
Oh my God, guys. Baka gagalaw to bigla. Oh my God. Oh my God, may mic. Baka gagalaw to. Oh my God. Oh. Seven Seas! Wow! Ang ganda niya! Ay, ang ganda dito, guys! This is our hotel. Ay, asan yun? Sige lang, wala pa man. Manawag pa. Ang ganda dito. Love it. Airbnb. Yung binook namin for today dito sa Cagayan. See? Ang ganda dito, guys, with a pool. Ito yung pool. Ito yung lobby.
taxi, then kaon, locker, grab, then rickshaw. 2,076 divide 3, 692.
One day. One day.
Divide anyway, di ba? Iba rin ni Ate Karen dire. Kain kaning Jollibee 4, 2, 4. May naon. May dire. 4, 8. Paghiro sa mukha.
Guys, we have this pag-chipit-chipit para mag-15.
Ha?
One day, total namin is 2,000. Mahigit. 6 tatlo kami, so dinivide namin and then it's 600 plus. O diba? Laking tipid! So guys, hanap-hanap ng barkada bago gumala. Guys, so back. Balik na namin. Bye. Mga kasamahan kong laagan.